This is how you add just part of a clip to a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Click this button here to open up the source and timeline view. Click here to open up the media pool and double click on the clip you want to add. You can scroll through the clip using this timeline in the source viewer. If you just wanted to add a part of the clip from about here to here, position this red playhead at the start of where you want to add the clip and press I on the keyboard. Watch what happens here. This little grey icon has moved to that position where the playhead was, and if you want to, you can adjust this. This is the in point, and this is going to choose where we want to add a sub part of this video clip to the timeline. Drag the red playhead to the part that you want to add at the end and hit O to add an out point. Now only this section of the clip in grey will be added to the timeline, and you can use any one of the methods to add this to the timeline, such as just dragging it down from here to the timeline. And now we've only got that section that we highlighted with the in and out points added to the timeline, and this can save a lot of time and stop you from having to edit things so much by dragging the ends and starts of clips.